That's the entrance where people enter the area. And this is the picnic grove. This is our mine office here. There's Alicia, our mine manager, texting while she's working. And here's all our picnic tables. And this is the grill where we cook dinner. Nice small 500-gallon grill. You make a huge roaring fire on that. We cook all sorts of goodies here. And that's what the area looks like. And this is the mine sluice area. People pan for gemstones. There's our water tower. This is where we have our employee picnic every Saturday night. See this beautiful area here, under the pine trees. Let's see here. And there's the entrance here, and there's the train station platform where the train pulls in directly across the street.